Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Right guys, working on the 45 because I've done a lot of work on the Hybrid 71, which is over there. I tried to take that for a run yesterday, putting that spare roto starter on. Yeah, smashed it, mate. I flooded first, and it took me a bit to get this thing going, and obviously it must have been slipping. That's where sort of caution. Then once I sort of cleared it and everything, and yeah, it finally shit itself anyway. Well, hopefully it might be able to run that this afternoon because I've got to finish the socket, just a bit more weld on the back and do the ramps and put the mill it. Anyway guys, go back to 45. So sort of realised the pipe that I was running is not quite big enough, and be fitting this 50 GT. It's just sitting there, guys. It doesn't look right. So I come in a bit of a dilemma with this because I ran that pipe on this 45 before, but I run a team chase cage on it. And what I'm trying to achieve is actually take weight out, not gain weight. So I've got a bit of an issue with this pipe at the moment. To put it back in, is obviously this roll bar set up. It's not going to work. Or I'll make my own centre roll bar in there to support this cage. That's the only way, basically, what I've got to do. So, I've got the choice of running the team chase cage. I've got two of these. These are hard to get. You can buy them from Taylor. They're $635 for you to buy. Or AliExpress, you can buy it for $450, complete with all the panels. Alright, so I've got two of these. Now, I have got the main part. I've got the bonnet, okay. The rest I can make out of aluminium. I do have one side piece, but it's best off wrap the bonnet on there like a chrome finish, and you make the aluminium panels. The only problem with running this is I have to redesign the wheelie bar because that's what I run. I made this ages ago. Works a treat. Anyway, guys, so yeah, so you see the dilemma I got. Because really I need the pipe. I had the Olimac running on there, and so in other words, between the Olimac and this one, and then between pipe. Okay, yeah, so this has got a bit of vinyl. I'm going to run on, make two inserts for it today, so 15.5 and 16 mil. Because the Olimac runs 16.5, that's a little bit big for that size engine. If you want to tune and get your timing right in your pipe, that's what you got to do. So anyway, we'll take it out. So what other things I've been doing to this? I did say on my last video, yeah, 2 speeds going in. So I've done the gearbox yesterday and put the bell in. Realistic, I did a big order Taylor yesterday, so mate gets a U-bit motor and a few other bits in that, so basically might got about $6,000 out of both of us in parts. Yeah, but anyway, it's all good. I should have got a 2-speed 62 mil bell, because yeah, I could convert this over to a 62 mil, and the springs what's in on that, it would have been perfect. So there would have been 10,000 RPM launch on this. Yeah, I reckon ultimately it would work well. So anyway, we what I've been doing, I actually been taking the heavy plate stuff all off, and M-sash and all that. And I've got to take this off. Just put this to loosen weight, because I'm gaining weight with this 2-speed. So at the moment I'll just run it at 22 on the pinion and on the first gear, and what was it, 24, was it 22? Yeah, 22 and 24 on the pinion on second gear. The ratio will be running, because I ordered the bigger hub with the high ratio gear for the 2-speed, so I'll be running 24 on the pinion on first gear and 27 on second gear. Okay, that's where I'm heading. Once I get the pipe and everything sorted out and everything, yeah, it should pull those gears. So at the moment, so running 22, 24, and I could change from 6-inch to 7-inch, so that'll make it 26 on top. I pulled 26 in this before. on the 24. She does do it, but yeah, it's not a good thing, like launching wise and that, you know. So that's why you need that lower gear on first gear. Then you have the second gear. So I know she pulled 27, but so what we've done is put a lot of things on here. I've got to take that out. I'm taking out these shockies. They'll go on the other baja, the OBR 37, whatever, 38. I put these on now. I've got new ones to go on here. So the uprights, I put the Taylor ones. They want special the other week, so I'll put them in. Yeah, so basically keeping stuff that you don't break is what you got to keep on here. The other stuff, yeah, it's not really critical on these. So it's a top handling vehicle, and why I wanted adjustable on here, so not using the limp straps, and I get the axles, dog bones parallel to the cups. It's your best thing on these, and yeah, mate, you can throw everything at it, you can't roll it. It's one of the best handling vehicles. That hybrid might be on top of that, but that's a different thing. So guys, yeah, just watch out. So I'd make my own setup of this rollover thing to allow it to fit that exhaust, or best that off and put the Kraken in, or I could put the other pieces on and run the Team Chase cage, because I think that'll be lighter than that. So the whole idea is to lose weight, putting on weight drops engine power, especially if I'm going to be pulling 27 on a pinion on top. So I don't want that weight on there. Like if I had the Rovan 71 on it, yeah, it'll just crush it, mate. It'll do it easy, like I'm carrying a trailer of a car on the back of it and I pull it like a train, like my Ford does. Yeah, doesn't even know there's a car on it or a trailer at the back with me Ford. But yeah, guys, we're all coming along. Yeah, and trying to finish the fix my U-bit starter, because man, I'm so keen to get this fired up, because yeah, so I know where we are with this car. Once I fire it up and take it for a run, then we're looking at putting the bigger motor in, and yeah, it's all going to happen. So I realised what I've got to do with this to bulletproof my rotor start set up. Just hang on a moment, guys. Got shit everywhere. This is what happens when you get full bore, do stuff. So where is it? Anyway, with my socket set up, I realised, try and find it, so I'm going to explain something here, guys. Had it in my hand earlier. But as I say, when you get in this, there's stuff everywhere. Probably can't. There it is. So to bulletproof this again, okay, so you get to understand, kicking shit's underneath my feet. Right, that goes here. So the back of this, I want to machine the spot there. I'm going to put a bearing on that. Okay, this spot here, machine this out, the rotor start out. Then I'm going to make a aluminium insert or a nylon. So the bearing I'm running on that would fit in that section here. So when I go to start the torque master, that be used as a guide, and it is a bulletproof this system. So today I just need to put more weld on this area here. Then I'm going to mill the ramps on this. And if I did that all today, I'm going to fire this beast out in the oval. It's just been, it's been fighting me, but we'll get there, guys. So, all right, guys, just remember, it's method or madness. May the force be with you, and I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.